How's it going, YouTube? And welcome to the shop. Got a little unboxing today. I think this is a HackerBoxes 23. Just got it today. Let's open this sucker up. Solderless breadboard. Some small micro to, I guess, regular to USB. Nice. Mega 32U4 Pro Micro. Well, this says 29. Might be a little off on my number then. That's a nice little case. Some little mini grippers. What do we got? There's all kinds of stuff in here. Well, let's see. Well, that didn't work. Well, I'm not exactly sure what all this is going to. Since I haven't looked at it, so I don't know what's going on in this box here. Interesting. Focus. No, you're not going to focus. There we go. Looks like some little LEDs. Okay. All kinds of little tiny boards. Looks like a lot of soldering. I even see some soldering wick. Pro Micro. Man, that thing is tiny. That's really tiny. Dropping stuff. Four little switches. Nice. Nice. Well, looks like mine might be broke. Looks like a little LED strip or LCD strip. I think this might be broke. No, it's not. I wonder what all we're going to get in here today. I don't understand. Well, that's pretty cool. Is this a screwdriver set, I wonder? Yep. Screwdriver. I mean, this is kind of cool, but you know, I'll be honest with you, it feels kind of cheap. It's aluminum though, it's real metal. But the bits will come in handy. They're like 4mm bits. Good assortment of bits. It is what it is though, they're cheap. Jumpers, lots of jumpers. Soldering. That's awesome. Goochwick. Goochwick. That's awesome. Phone break. Sticker. What else we got here? Tip can be replaced easily. What do we got here? Is this what this is a USB soldering iron. USB soldering iron. I was wondering what all the USB cables were for. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah. I don't know about this. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I'm not I'm not too sure about that. Oh my god. Yeah. A little bit of really cheap. That's not even no solder. I don't think. It might be. Yeah, I don't know about this. I'm gonna give it a try though. That's interesting. Yeah, it looks to be about it. That's an interesting haul. Can't wait to get this done. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. Comment, like, subscribe. Thanks.